General Nursing Council Board was installed this morning. Zenil Williams informs us that 2,669 nurses have already been registered to date.
The 15-member board was inaugurated this morning by the Public Health Ministers Valda Lawrence and Dr. Karen Cummings. It was revealed that 2,669 registrants renewed their licenses for 2018. Minister Lawrence urged members to not only enforce rules and regulations, but to be innovative.
I ask that you be satisfied that each candidate satisfies the criteria and is fit and proper to be registered. Don't register any and every person. You analyze and be very careful that those persons meet the criteria. We are building, and as we build, and with your input, we're going to reach there, but we're not there now. And as you use the rules and the regulations that guide this council, I'm asking you to use your judgment and to act within the confines of the rules. I'm asking you to be professional.
The council's chairperson and chief nursing officer acting, Linda Johnson, pledged her support and expressed excitement about her new role.
I'm fairly new, so I'm looking forward for your support so that we can have a vibrant nursing council that will represent the rights of the nurses and ensure that we have examinations and delivering of results in a timely manner and of course, authentic results.
The Nurses' Council is a semi-autonomous body. They do not fall under the purview of the Ministry of Public Health, but have 6 representatives appointed by government. The council comprises of 15 members, 6 nominated and 8 elected. The council also conducts 12 exams annually. 3 have already been completed. Zenil Williams for InfoHub.